a cased pair of French and Indian war pistols in a North American leather-bound case by Joseph Buckmaster of London, working circa 1730 to 1763. The pistols have gilt brass barrels, brass lock plates, trigger guards, side plates, butt plates, thumb pieces, and rammer ferrules. Only the lock parts and tang are steel. The guns are .69 caliber, with swamped round barrels being 7.5 inches in length. They are proofed and cartouched with the London proofs and the heart over the JB mark of Joseph Buckmaster. All furniture is lightly and plainly engraved and displays appropriate smooth surface wear. The case is a colonial type, sufficient for use on the frontier before and during the French and Indian Wars. The wood case is covered in leather and decorated with dozens of brass tacks. The leather itself is well worn, still supple with no tears. Joseph Buckmaster is listed as working in London between 1730 and 1763. During 1746 through 1763, he worked for the Hudson's Bay Company. For additional information and a condition report on the pistols, please click the link in the description below.